Hello guys, I'm back again. Alright, so I'm going to be very consistent from now on. Every day I'm going to do live. I won't say live, so it's a video recording. Whatever idea that every day that I learn, whatever things that I experience that I think will be very helpful to you guys, I will be on the video and I will be recorded and put it onto the YouTube. In terms of the healthcare, how we do that, fitness, that I learned from, in terms of business building, in terms of any collaborations that I learned, or some projects that I involved with that I could do live, that I would do live as well in my Facebook, or recorded and then put it into the YouTube, so that I can share it to the whole world. I think now it's a digital world, it's a virtual world that everyone should have a chance to share their opinion. It may not be seen to be important for you, but it may be useful in the future. That I hope that whatever I put up on the online, it's going to be helpful. Right. So these few days I've been wondering like what we should do. Like should I always do video editing? I found it's very hard to be consistent. I found there's a lot of people wants to do live video. They want to do video editing and do a perfect video and then put it up. And I realized that it doesn't help to find your voice. In order to find our voice, I realized is to make it simple. Start your selfie ring, and then maybe another tripod with your gimbal mobile, or you just have the tripod to start with. And we just start to do the recording, without much of the editing, and then we can put it up. But main thing is don't think too much. Yes. So now you see what I'm sharing to you now is going to be very useful, right? Then you start to know that hey, I don't need to think too much. Because if you want to do like perfect video editing, perfect product, and then you share it out, it's going to take you a whole day. And that is impossible for a lot of people who are actually doing parenting, or they already are parents, or they have other projects, they have other careers that is already going on, right? So for us to be able to do live or video recording, the best thing is keep it simple. And that's all I want to tell you guys. And maybe keep it within 3 to 5 minutes if you want to have a valuable content to share to others. I think that would be helpful. All right, thank you guys. See you again. Bye-bye.